All right, this is going to continue our section 4.3 notes, and we're learning to graph a linear inequality or a linear equation in one variable solution. So what we're going to do with this linear equation right here is we're going to treat it like a two-sided equation, each side being a linear equation in two variables. So the left side over here looks like y1 equals negative 4x plus 3. And then the right side looks like y2 is equal to negative 3x plus 2. Now I find it too difficult to do this as we go through, so I've graphed both of these lines. So the left one here, the y1, I've graphed in blue. So I started with my y-intercept, positive 3, and then from there I've used the slope to move to my second point, going down 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then across 1, and putting a point there. And then from that point, I move down 1, 2, 3, 4, and across 1, putting a point in there. I didn't move up from my y-intercept this time because I ran out of room on my graphs, so I just continued down. Now, the red line is my equation y equals negative 3x plus 2. So I started at my y-intercept 2, and I went down 1, 2, 3, and then I went across 1. And then I came back to my baseline, and now I went up 1, 2, 3, and I went back 1. And then I drew the line through that one. The solution to this linear equation in one variable is the point of intersection here. It's where these two lines cross. And furthermore, it's the x-coordinate of these, which is negative 1. When x equals negative 1, that's the solution. So let me show you over here. I actually have drawn these very roughly, of course. And here's our two lines with those ordered pairs all labeled for you so you can see which ordered pairs that I have used. And then the intersection point here, I have boxed the x. So what this says is that our solution to this is x is equal to positive 1. And we can actually check that and see that it really is a solution because we know that 3 minus 4 times positive 1, that we're questioning whether that is equal to 2 minus 3 times a positive 1. And simplifying it, we see 4 times 1 is 4, so this says 3 minus 4, and that's equal to a negative 1. And then we're still questioning, right? And 2 minus 3 times 1, or 2 minus 3, and again, 2 minus 3 is a negative 1. Now I want you to notice something about this. This was a check, right? I want you to notice that the negative 1 is the value in the y. That is because when x equals this, the value of each expression is that negative 1. And so that's what we see in our check. But our solution is the x-coordinate. X-coordinates are the solutions. So the intersection point intersection points x coordinate is our solution. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a look at this next problem, which I want you guys to try on your own, and then I'm going to do another video on doing another one, and I will have you guys come and do this one. So you see that's already graphed for you, so I'm just going to come right here and I'm going to say, you guys go and try this one on your own, and then in the next video I'll show you the solution on that one, and we'll see if that is actually a solution as well by doing the check and showing that the y-coordinate is the check's value on each side. So when we come back, we're going to do yet another problem, and then we'll see after that the solution to this one. All right.